Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Have you ever sat down after a long, exhausting day just to watch your favorite show, only to be met with pure frustration? You pick up the remote to your expensive smart TV. You press a button to open an app. Nothing happens at first. The whole interface is incredibly slow and laggy. I completely understand how annoying that is. We have all been trained to think that TVs just naturally get slower over time. But that is simply a cheap hardware limitation. TV companies use the cheapest internal parts possible to save a few dollars. Apple is about to fix this completely. We are standing on the edge of a massive shift in home entertainment. The Apple TV 4K 2026 launch is approaching quickly. The leaks coming out right now are absolutely incredible. If you are thinking about buying a Roku, a Fire Stick, or a new high-end smart TV just for the built-in apps, you need to stop right now. Let us dive into the massive upgrades revealed by top leakers and tech websites. According to a recent viral post on X by the trusted Apple supply chain analyst Ming-Chi, big changes are coming. He predicts a sweet spot of just $99 for the base model. This is a huge deal. Dropping the price to $99 is a brilliant move to rapidly expand their market share. Mark Gurman, the famous reporter from Bloomberg, also shared a huge update. Gurman tweeted that the new Apple TV 4K is heavily tied to Apple's brand new Siri upgrades. Because of this connection to artificial intelligence, the official launch will happen between May and September of 2026. This perfectly aligns with the release of iOS 26.5. Another highly trusted leaker named Kosatami posted that while Apple's smart home display is delayed, the Apple TV 4K refresh is the primary focus. The team at MacRumors shared a massive tweet confirming serious hardware details. They said the new Apple TV will pack an A17 Pro chip and 8 GB of RAM. This is an insane amount of power for a streaming box. It provides the exact power needed to run local artificial intelligence right on your television. MacRumors also confirmed that the 3nm A17 Pro chip features a powerful 6-core GPU. This gives the Apple TV the raw power to play actual console games like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed. The chip features hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This guarantees zero lag when navigating menus. Bloomberg officially reported that Apple is using a brilliant hybrid AI strategy. Apple is combining their fast on-device Apple Intelligence with Google's powerful Gemini AI. This combination will make Siri fully conversational. You will not have to speak like a robot anymore. Over in Taiwan, the tech site Mashdigi reported on Apple's 2026 roadmap. It highlights a brand new fusion architecture for Apple's home devices. The popular tech blog Zero Wireless revealed that Apple is designing a custom networking chip called the N1. This powerful chip brings blazing fast Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 to your television. This means completely zero latency for 4K streaming and high-end cloud gaming. In the United Kingdom, Geeky Gadgets reported on the device acting as the ultimate universal smart home hub. It will fully support the Matter and Thread protocols to connect to almost any smart light or lock effortlessly. Finally, the experts at What Hi-Fi suggested we might see HDMI pass-through capabilities and a new motion-activated backlit remote. You will always know what button you press in the dark. All these incredible sources point to massive improvements. We are getting the amazing A17 Pro chipset, custom N1 networking chip, Wi-Fi 7, and hardware ray tracing. Expect full Apple Intelligence integration, a hybrid Gemini and Siri voice assistant, and a precision-finding remote so you never lose it. Expect a mid-2026 release window with a highly affordable $99 base model. Apple is actively turning a tiny streaming box into a high-end gaming console and a brilliant smart home brain. Your TV's internal processor is garbage because it was built to be cheap. The 2026 Apple TV is built with premium silicon to last a full decade without slowing down. In my honest opinion, Apple has created a masterpiece. At a $99 price point, this device is going to completely wipe out the competition. Even if you only buy it for the insanely fast AI search to find your favorite shows quickly, it is worth every single penny. What do you guys think about the incredible new Apple TV? Are you excited about the huge leap in gaming power? Are you going to buy one when it launches in 2026? Let me know down below in the comments. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel Share this video with your friends and hit the bell icon so you never miss another huge tech update.